How to log out from Webull account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log out from Webull account. But before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Webull. Make sure you're logged in into your account. So what you can do is head over to the settings. For that, head over to the menu on the bottom right. After you tap on menu, you'll find under shortcuts, settings. Tap on settings and there we go. Now, what you'll need to do is scroll down a bit and there you'll find the logout button. Simply tap on logout button and you'll get this pop-up for confirmation. Tap on OK. And there you go, you have just logged out. And yeah, you can log back in really easily. Just tap on next and go through with that. And yeah, that's basically how you log out from your Webull account. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.